Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Practical Spoken English by RBS. The topic of this video is English बोलना तो बोलने से ही आएगा. Yeah, that is very much true because no matter how much knowledge you have about English grammar, no matter how much vocabulary of English you have memorized, no matter how beautifully you can write English, but unless you start speaking English, you can't speak English. That is a fact. Because starting speaking English means practicing English. And practice alone makes a man perfect, there is a saying. Unless you practice, you can't be comfortable while speaking English or any language for that sake. If you think that you will start speaking English when you have lot of knowledge about English grammar, you feel very much confident about the English language, there is a stock of English vocabulary in your mind, then you will start speaking English. You are not correct, you are absolutely wrong. What is required is you take the first step. First step is start speaking. Initially, when a kid starts walking, he is bound to fall many times. But that is the process through which he has to go. And one day he starts walking and then running. So is the case with spoken English. You will start speaking, that is the first step. Then what will happen? Sometimes you will find difficulty in getting the proper word, English word to express what you want to say. Sometimes you will find it difficult to translate Hindi sentence coming to your mind into English. This is the process through which you have to go. And for that you have to not delay your spoken English practice for tomorrow, because tomorrow never comes. You should start right now. You will encounter some problems, then you will try to find out their solutions, and gradually you will feel more confidence, and you will have the realization that with simple words and simple sentences also you can express yourself. But everything will come, the comfort level of speaking English will come only through practice. Therefore, English बोलना तो बोलने से ही आएगा, that is correct. Now the question is how to practice alone. When there is nobody to practice with, how you should practice. Maybe you are living in a village or in a small town or at such a place where neither in your family nor outside your family is available with whom you can practice. In my previous videos, I have suggested that you can do mirror practice. You should stand up in front of a mirror and speak English as if somebody is in front of you and you want to say something. Secondly, you can assume any topic on which you have to speak and you can start speaking. You go through that particular video where mirror practice is suggested. Secondly, I have suggested that whatever you do during the entire day, you speak that activity in English. Thirdly, when you go to bed in the night, you recall that what activities you have performed since you got up in the morning, since you left your bed in the morning, and that every activity you try to tell in English by speaking. Fourthly, I have told you that you should loudly speak by reading English newspapers. You read the new English newspapers loudly by speaking loud. And these all things will help in getting confidence in speaking English. Just for your guidance, I'm going to place before you one example. A, a random topic I am selecting. For example, I want to say something about weather conditions of Delhi in the first week of January. Today is 2nd January 2024. What is the weather condition? Normally, the weather condition of Delhi in December, and particularly in the last week of December and first fortnight, that is 2 weeks of January, it is chilly. It is icy cold. The main reason is that the wind blowing from the areas of Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and other mountainous regions come to Delhi, and that wind makes the weather of Delhi very chilly, icy cold. But one thing is remarkable, that in earlier years, just a few years back, by October itself, we used to feel cold. But this feeling has got delayed now. Now, up to almost the end of November, it is not so cold. It is still somewhat normal weather in Delhi. And it is only in December that you start feeling more cold, and by the end the temperature goes almost down to 7 degrees Celsius. Why this delay in cold conditions of Delhi weather has happened? I feel that this is the effect of climatic change. The whole world is talking about climate change. It is being heard that the glaciers are melting. Glaciers in Arctic region and Antarctica region are melting, and they are going into the ocean, and the level of ocean water is going up, and it is felt that in coming years some of the islands and some small countries also will get submerged under the water of ocean. And this is all about climatic change, because indiscriminately we are releasing gases into air due to industrialization from factories, particularly much in quantity by developed countries, that these changes are taking place and the earth is getting warmer day by day. Earlier it was unheard that there used to be a situation where the temperature of European countries would cross 40 degrees Celsius. But now in summer it is happening. The things are not moving in so far as climate is concerned. as it used to move a few years back. Therefore, what needs for all the governments of the world that to take immediate urgent action to set the things right so that the ecosystem is okay and the climatic conditions don't deteriorate. Anyway, nowadays in the first week of January, it is very chilly and we are feeling cold. We need to take care of our health, body. Particularly older people are required to have more protection of their body with warm cloths, and otherwise they will end up in the hospitals and that may prove fatal too. Now, in this month of January, on 26th January, the chief guest of parade on the Kartavya Path, which was earlier called as Rajpath in Delhi, the chief guest is to be Mr. Macron, the President of France. We are awaiting his arrival as the chief guest, and that is certainly a festival-like situation in Delhi. Then friends, what I want to say that in this way, take any random topic, any topic, and try to speak 5 minutes, 10 minutes about that in English. And this is how you can practice. I'm making this video. I'm not talking with anybody except you, and that too, I'm presuming that you will listen one day when I upload this video. Likewise, alone you can practice. You don't need anybody. And adopt all those tips that I have given in other videos to improve your spoken English. Certainly the things will be better and you would be able to speak English in a lucid, that is understandable manner, and in a fluent way with much ease, using simple words and simple sentences. You don't need very difficult words and difficult sentences. There are always synonyms or alternative words to use in English language also. This is what I wanted to tell you कि इंग्लिश बोलना तो बोलने से ही आएगा. I hope this will be helpful to you. If you liked this video, you please give a like, and if you have not subscribed to my channel till now, you please do subscribe and press the bell button and also click the all so that notifications you get of any video that I upload immediately. And you may share also this video. See you in the next video with another topic to help you speak in English in a more better way. Thank you very much. See you.